Ever wonder why some people seem to remember everything while others struggle to recall even simple details? Imagine if the secret lies in how your brain organizes information. What if understanding this could unlock your memory's full potential? Let's explore the fascinating ways your brain acts like a master librarian, sorting and storing data. Could the key to better memory be as simple as understanding your brain's filing system? Join us as we delve into the mysteries of mental organization. Welcome to How Your Brain Organizes Information, where we dive into the hidden mechanics behind your mental filing system. In this episode, we'll uncover the strategies that can transform your memory from average to extraordinary. Discover the secrets behind the brain's ability to categorize and connect information seamlessly. We'll explore historical figures and modern research that shed light on these processes. Get ready to unlock the potential of your mind by understanding its organizational prowess. In the 18th century, Benjamin Franklin was renowned for his incredible memory and his ability to connect seemingly unrelated ideas. But how exactly did he accomplish this? Franklin's method was both simple and effective. He categorized information and made connections between different concepts. By organizing his thoughts, he could recall information with remarkable ease. This approach allowed him to innovate and excel in various fields, from science to politics. Let's delve into how this historical figure's techniques can inspire our own mental organization. Fast forward to the 20th century, where psychologist George A. Miller introduced a groundbreaking concept. He proposed that our brains can hold about 7 chunks of information at a time, a theory known as the magic number 7. This insight reveals the limitations of our working memory and emphasizes the need for strategic organization. Understanding this constraint allows us to optimize how we process and store information. By recognizing these limits, we can enhance our ability to recall and utilize knowledge effectively. Understanding this limit is crucial because it means we must be strategic about how we organize and prioritize information. By focusing on what's essential and categorizing it effectively, we can maximize our memory's efficiency. This strategic organization is akin to playing a game of chess, where each move is calculated for optimal advantage. Prioritizing information helps us navigate the vast sea of data we encounter daily, ensuring that what truly matters is readily accessible. Think of your brain as a vast library. Without a system, even the most valuable books can get lost among the shelves. Similarly, without organizing our thoughts, important information can slip through the cracks. By implementing a structured approach, we ensure that our mental library is both efficient and accessible. This organization allows us to retrieve information quickly and accurately, much like finding a book in a well-cataloged library. The key is to create a system that works for you. To harness this, start by breaking down information into smaller, manageable chunks. This approach makes complex data easier to digest and recall. By simplifying and categorizing information, we reduce cognitive overload and enhance our ability to focus. This method not only aids in memory retention, but also improves our understanding of the material. Think of it as building a strong foundation for a house. Each chunk is a building block that supports the larger structure of knowledge. Next, use associations to enhance memory retention. By linking new information to something you already know, you create a mental map that makes retrieval a breeze. This technique leverages the brain's natural tendency to connect ideas, strengthening the neural pathways involved. Associations act as bridges, connecting disparate pieces of information into a cohesive whole. This interconnectedness not only aids in recall, but also fosters creativity and problem-solving by allowing us to see relationships between concepts. Finally, practice retrieval to solidify your memory. Regularly testing yourself on the information strengthens the neural pathways, making memories stick more effectively. This process, known as retrieval practice, is a powerful tool for enhancing long-term retention. By actively recalling information, you reinforce your understanding and ability to access it when needed. Think of it as exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. This practice not only boosts memory, but also builds confidence in your knowledge. Let's recap. Organize information strategically, use associations, and practice retrieval. These are your keys to unlocking a more efficient brain. By implementing these techniques, you can enhance your memory and cognitive abilities. Remember, the way you organize and interact with information can transform how you think and learn. Embrace these strategies to unlock the full potential of your mind and achieve greater success in your personal and professional life. Your brain is a powerful tool, capable of incredible feats when used wisely. Start organizing today and watch your memory transform. By taking control of your mental organization, you can unlock new levels of understanding and creativity. Subscribe for more insights and continue your journey towards cognitive mastery. Remember, your brain is like a library. Organize it well, and you'll always find the knowledge you seek.